Hello, everyone. My name is Alicia Gaines, and about 4 years ago, I came across this company because I needed help with my own credit. My credit score was a 512, and at the time, I was working as a registered nurse, and I got started with the services, and my own credit score increased by 230 points within 3 months. So what I did was I leveraged that, and I positioned myself to help a lot of other people to do the same thing, and here I am today as a regional vice president with our company, United Credit Education Services. We are a company that you can indeed rely on. We're founded in 2004, headquartered in Farmington Hills, Michigan. We have a unique collection of services carefully selected to provide financial protection and opportunity for you. We're a completely debt-free company that has helped thousands of people, meaning that we practice what we preach and we preach what we practice. And we have the same key executives since the inception of the company. 5 shocking facts that you didn't know about your finances. Let's dig into that. Americans are drowning in a total of $1.057 trillion in credit card debt as of March of 2019. 56% of people in the US have no rainy day funds. They're not saving like they should. 46% of baby boomers have less than $10,000 saved for retirement. So when you go into Walmart, you're noticing the elderly population greeting you at the door. 40% of millennials have spent money they don't have to keep up with friends, keeping up with the Joneses, if you will, and most keep it a secret. 43 million Americans have a credit score of 599 or less. That's a very astounding number, but we're here to make impact and do something about it. Poor credit can fill people with feelings such as anxiety, embarrassment, frustration, fear, and confusion. But you know what? Like I said, there's hope because good credit makes it easier to get new houses, new cars, low interest rates on credit cards and loans, higher credit limits, and contracts without security deposits. We have one award-winning protection plans product service, but there's 12 life-changing products included in your package. Up first, we have the budgeting tool. Your financial blueprint is based upon your budget. Track what's coming in and what's going out and keep better control of your finances. We also offer credit restoration services provided through our company, 501c3 organization, disputing all negative items on all 3 credit bureaus at the same time, not dragging the process out, by simply leveraging the Fair Credit Reporting Act, which was enacted by Congress back in 1971 to protect all of us as consumers and exercise our rights. So with credit restoration, whether you have a bankruptcy, a foreclosure, a tax lien, a repossession, judgment, late payments, medical bills, or collections, it doesn't matter. Those items are not too big and bad for the Fair Credit Reporting Act. We also offer you the Credit Builder, where you're going to be educated thoroughly about credit, and we're going to teach you how to rebuild your credit. You will have access to our credit attorney in the event that you're receiving any threatening or harassing phone calls from any debt collectors. Our attorneys need to be aware of that. They will actually pursue litigation on your behalf, and they're going to go over your credit reports with a very fine-tooth comb to identify any of those items that are difficult to remove from your credit reports. Credit monitoring is also included. Given that you're going to need to update 24/7 what's going on with your credit scores and credit reports, you'll be able to get those updates at the click of a button. And then the debt payoff system. Do you need to lower your debt to income ratio? With debt payoff, you can plug in all of your debts, and according to the interest rates and the balances owed, you'll be able to pay down those debts, cutting into unnecessary interest payments, saving yourself a ton of money as you pay off those debts. And then the financial lockbox is also included. It's a virtual online safety deposit, password protected deposit box where you can store copies of important documents. Identity monitoring is included as well. Every 2 seconds, someone's identity is stolen. Cybercrime is the fastest growing crime in the United States, and Privacy Armor has agreed to insure all of our clients up to $1 million against identity theft. The net worth calculator is also included because as you plug in your assets and your liabilities, you'll be able to calculate exactly where you stand regarding your net worth. The savings goal is also included. Listen, discipline is required to save, but our savings goal calculator will teach you how much you can save and how often you can save according to your financial scenario. The will and trust is also included, being that you never know what's going to happen when. You want to make sure the right person is designated to make decisions on your behalf when it comes to your money, your health care, and your minor children. This document alone you can complete from the comfort of your home is valued at $5,000 by itself, and it is included in your protection plan package. And then the YFL Family Mint. As we mentioned earlier, 43 million people in the United States have credit challenges and are indeed financially illiterate. So what happens when the children in your life are not educated in a timely fashion about the same? So we're infiltrating households, helping you bring this information into your home to share with the children in your life. So this is how your credit score is calculated. Your payment history is valued at 35% of your overall score. Make sure you pay your bills on time. 30% is the capacity and amount owed, known to many as credit utilization. What percentage of credit limits do you have available? Don't max out your credit cards. 15% of your overall credit score is the length of credit, your average age length. Old credit is that good credit. New credit inquiries is valued at 10% of your overall score. 1 to 2 inquiries per year is good. 3 to 4 is just okay, but after you hit 4, put up the stop sign. You don't want to come across as desperate to credit lenders by applying for too much new credit too soon. And then the last component, 10% is your account mix, the types of credit. Can you show that you can manage different types of credit responsibly? Also in your package is Shop for Less, where you can get, on average, 5% cash back by shopping at national retailers and restaurants that you shop at it anyway. So we're talking about when you're taking your family out for dinner, maybe you're booking some travel accommodations, plug in for Shop for Less and get cash back as you shop. In the UCES Protection Plan Roadmap, we keep it simple. We want you to know what your plan of action is looking like so you can stay on track to getting your financial affairs in order. Month 1, you're going to activate your services for credit restoration and smart credit, and you're going to set up your identity monitoring with Privacy Armor. And then months 2 to 3, you're going to build your credit score. You're going to apply for our secured credit card. You're going to get activated with our Credit My Rent program, where you can have your on-time monthly rental payments reported to the credit bureaus, and you're going to utilize the credit builder to sharpen your knowledge base about credit and how you rebuild your credit. And then month 4 through 6, it's time to work on any outstanding debts that you might have at this time, where you're going to pay off your debts faster with the debt payoff system and track your income and spending by utilizing and maximizing the budgeting program. Months 7 through 9, now it's time to establish your family security. We're rounding third base, headed towards home. Activate and fill out that will and trust. Protect and secure your financial lockbox with the Financial Lockbox Vault. Develop your savings goals and exercise the discipline that's always been inside of you. And then month 10 through 12, it's time to stay on top of your finances. If you're experiencing those harassing phone calls, let the credit attorneys assist you. Now you are building and calculating your net worth, manage your family's assets and liabilities, and now it's time to really feel secure and confident as you share and pass on this information with the children in your life. You're going to be able to keep track of everything with our UCES Protection Plan app that you can download, and you can even access your customer portal dashboard from your home laptop. Take control of your financial future. To get started, it's only $188. And then $89 per month thereafter, you get all of these 12 products we've just reviewed today, and you get to empower your financial state. We also give back in a great way. Every single time a customer makes a monthly payment on the Protection Plan membership, $2 of that monthly payment is donated to the Youth Financial Literacy Foundation. And we also give away hundreds of thousands of scholarships every single year. In 2016, we awarded $100,000 in scholarships. And now in 2020, we awarded $400,000 in scholarships to some very well-deserving high school seniors and college freshmen. And to date, over $1 million has been donated so far. And so now I have the pleasure of introducing our next speaker. This gentleman is the one who is responsible for introducing this information to me. He shared everything, answered my questions, and got me started. And so now I want to introduce to you our Senior Regional Vice President. He and his team are producing over $2.5 million sales on a 30-day basis. So Mr. Ashton Henry, are you ready?
I am ready. I'm ready. Amazing job explaining our services. Definitely want to give it back to you for all the hard work. And again, it's just simply amazing seeing your growth, seeing so many success that you have actually had since you've been here with our organization. I appreciate everything that you actually do there, Ms. Gaines. So guys, again, my name is Ashton Henry. Super excited. I got started with a program, just like Ms. Gaines mentioned. I got started to help my personal credit. I started with a 520 credit score. Within a matter of 5 months, my credit went from a 520 to a 735. That got me excited and decided to really help as many people as possible within my tax business. And here we are today helping people all across the United States, thousands, hundreds of thousands of people, helping them take back control of their credit and finances, leveraging our services. So what I'm going to do right now is switch gears and talk about how you can actually partner with our company. Now, FES provides its agents the ability to build a business by marketing innovative financial literary tools, products, and services. Again, our company was founded in 2004, consistent, strong annual growth. We're a debt-free company with the same key executives since our company's inception. Now, why would it work for you? You get the opportunity to be your own boss, make your own hours, build your own team, work from anywhere, work full-time or part-time, help people reach their financial goals, easy to use online tools and training, excellent agent support. In anything that you do, you want to make sure that you have support, especially when building a business. You already have the support that you need to go there and build a successful business. Now, most people are operating on linear income, meaning that they actually traded their time for money. With our opportunity, you have the ability to work hard, right? Because you are working hard to help people. You are working hard to build your business, but now you can enjoy residual income. Now you have true leverage. Now you're not the only one that's actually responsible for your income. Think about this. So many times people running a sick time, running a vacation time, guess what? They're not earning money. In light of everything that's actually happening right now with COVID-19 as well, we have so many people being laid off, so many people not having a source of income. With this business, you have the ability to help people. You have the ability to build your own team. It might be a mortgage broker, a real estate agent, a tax professional, someone that you know that actually looking for a different opportunity. They come on board as an agent on your team, and now you have the ability to earn money while they actually building their business as well. True leverage. Now, how do you actually earn money with our company? So every client that you personally enroll into our company, you earn $100 per client. So again, the clients pay $188 to get started. You earn $100 per client. You also get paid $12 per month residually on every client that you personally enroll. Now, we also have what's called a customer acquisition bonus. This bonus is paid out every time a partner comes on board and you help them get 2 customers. So it starts at $100 and it goes all the way up to $560. Just depends on the rank that you are in the company. For example, Miss Alicia Gaines here, whenever she goes out there and a partner comes on board with her business, she picks up $510, guys, $510. And that person goes out there, brings on a business partner, she'll get paid the difference, which works out to be $410 when they sign up an agent, help them get 2 customers. So again, we have so many people earning part-time basis and we have people doing full-time this business. You decide how you want to build your business, but you have the opportunity to earn some significant income. Now, we also have what's called our monthly infinity bonus, and that's paid off from the time you become a sales director and doing at least $10,000 in business. At a half a percent, you're looking at $50. It may not seem like a lot, but as you start building, you start getting that residual income on a monthly basis from this bonus. Regional sales director, you're looking at 0.75%, that's $187. Executive sales director, that's $500. Vice president, that's $1,500. Regional vice president, that's $4,375. Executive vice president, you're looking at $10,000. Senior vice president, $22,500. Senior regional vice president, you're looking at $62,000. Senior executive, you're looking at $100,000. Pinnacle, you're looking at over $300,000 in just a bonus every single month based on your previous months of business. Now, we also have what's called R&R Club, and that's building towards rest and relaxation. Once you have 500 people in your organization, the company starts paying you $600 a month towards an Audi, a Mercedes, or a Cadillac. Your level 2 to 3, you can actually receive a $10,000 cash bonus. Your car payment can go from $600 to $1,500. You can receive a $25,000 cash bonus. Level 5, you receive a $50,000 cash bonus plus the automobile upgrade by our company. Level 6, you receive a $5,000 monthly mortgage payment. Level 7 through 10, $25,000 match your retirement bonus, and anywhere from $100,000 to $250,000 in lifestyle bonuses. Guys, we provide all the training and support to help you build your business. You're in business for yourself, but you're not in business by yourself. You have a turnkey business, a personalized online, you have a personalized agent website, online back office, live and agent customer support, weekly pay, whatever you do from Sunday to Saturday, you earn a commission on Thursday, direct deposit or check. You get life insurance. As an agent, you get access to all the services the clients get, plus $100,000 in life insurance that you don't need to do a medical exam for. Professional marketing materials, commissions, rewards, bonuses, regional and national training events that you can attend to help you sharpen your skills to go there and build a successful business. And you get the opportunity to take advantage of the tax advantage, because it is a business, so you can write off a lot of your expenses, and you have the opportunity again to help as many people as possible. To become an agent with our company is only $288. It's a one-time $199 for the agency, $89 a month for your services. But once you have 5 people, your services are absolutely free. It can be 5 customers or 5 agents, your services are free, right? Now you can also, once you come on board, we have an app, FES Agent app, to help you build and be able to handle your business and build your business from your cell phone, right? Which is just a great tool to help you understand. You can sign people up using that app as well. Now here's what our agents are saying. As you guys just heard my story, I started with a 520 credit score within 5.5 months. My credit went from a 520 to a 735. Being able to build this business now to become a multiple 7-figure earner with our company. Miss Nicola Smith Jackson, she got started because she had a tax lien on her credit report. We were able to remove the tax lien off her credit. Now she's a multiple 7-figure earner with our company. Alfred Nixon got started, wanted to increase his credit score. Credit went up 95 points within 45 days. Leverage our services. Now he's also a multiple 7-figure earner with our company here, Financial Education Services. Tony Camilleri. Tony came on board. He's a realtor, wanted to help his clients increase their credit score. Now he's a multiple 6-figure earner with our company, helping people all across the United States. Miss Sabrina Liu, she got started because, again, she also wanted to increase her credit score. Her credit went up 106 points within, I think it was about 45 days or so. She got excited, partnered with us. Now she's helping people all across the United States, also a multiple 6-figure earner. Bobby Kim, in sales for over 20 years, and he got sick and tired of being sick and tired. So he joined our company, and now he's also a 6-figure earner with our multiple 6-figure earner now. He drives a car that the company pays for, just having some amazing success out there in Tampa. Guys, understand this. You're looking at this information for the first time. Understand that the secret to getting ahead is getting started. You don't have to be great to get started, but you do have to get started to be great. So you've taken a look at this information. I want you to get back with the person that shared this information with you and let them know that you're ready to join our team so we can actually help you go out there and build a successful business. I want to thank you guys for your time. We'll see you guys at the top.